Okay, how's everyone doing? Everything's looking good, looking good. I haven't gotten a lot of emails, so I'm presuming the lessons are good and you guys understand them. So let's look at number 14. Okay. Um, so x squared plus 3 and x, 2x and 1. So then we have 2x squared minus x squared plus 3 all over x squared. That's the first one using the quotient rule I'm doing here. So then we have 2x squared minus x squared minus 3 all over x squared, which equals x squared minus 3 over x squared. Okay, good. And that's acceptable. That's fine. Okay. The other way to do it, of course, if you if you did it separately, so it's x plus 3 over x, which is x plus 3x to the negative 1. Okay, the derivative of x is 1 minus 3x to the negative 2, which is 1 minus 3 over x squared. Okay, which is the exact same thing as the original. Okay, how do I get that from the original? Well, I break it up to x squared over x squared minus 3 over x squared, and x squared over x squared is 1. Okay, so that's showing it both ways. You'll have to do one of those on the handed assignment. Okay, number 17. Yeah, I'm going to go kind of quick, so if you need to pause it, of course, pause it. You know, take a look at it. 2x plus 5, 3x minus 2, 2, 3. So 2 times 3x minus 2 minus 3, 2x plus 5, all over 3x minus 2 squared. Okay, extend the page. I'm trying to look at my notes to make sure I don't miss anything. 6x minus 4 minus 6x minus 15, all of 3x minus 2 squared. 6x's are gone. Negative 19 over 3x minus 2 squared. Number 17. There you go. And I think the answer might have had the negative out in front. No big deal. Don't worry about it. It could be in the numerator out in front of the whole thing. Doesn't matter. Okay. 19. 19. Okay, okay. So with number 19, 19 could be real tricky. Okay? Because if you did the numerator, and we're going to have to do this. This is like a prelude of what's coming up. Okay? We are going to have to take that numerator, use the product rule to differentiate that. And then, just do the derivative of the x cubed. So it's going to get challenging. Okay? But instead of doing that, we're going to try to take the easy way out. Okay? So what we have here is we have x minus 1, blah, blah, blah. So watch what happens here. This gets, okay, something that you can't really recognize yet. Okay? A difference of two perfect cubes. So, some, you see, maybe you don't. I don't know. Okay? So here's 19. What do I have? I have x cubed plus x squared plus x minus x squared minus x minus 1. Gone, 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 gone. X cubed minus 1 all over x cubed. Okay? So that is the original. That's what we start with. Okay? Now to find the derivative of that, I'm just going to do 1 minus x to the negative 3. Oof. Hopefully I didn't lose you there. Okay? Derivative of 1 is 0. This is going to be plus 3x to the negative 4, which is 3 over x to the 4th. Okay? That's your derivative. There it is. All right? So if you wanted to use quotient rule, you could, but that way's a lot easier. Okay? Where am I up to next? 27. Okay? Line tangent. Okay? So we want to find the equation of the line tangent. So what do we have? We have x cubed minus 1 plus 1, 2x. So 3x squared, 2. So 6x cubed minus 2x cubed minus 2 all over 2x squared. And that is what? 4x cubed minus 2 over 2x squared. Okay? So remember, that's the derivative at any point. So what number is this? This is number 27. Let me double check. 27 is goody. Okay? And then you plug in. Oh, x equals 1. There it is. Okay? So x equals 1. So I have to find the slope. So I'm putting a 1 in here and here. So that gives me a slope of 1/2, because you get 2 over 4, which is 1/2. Now, your x equals 1. You need to find your y value. And then how you find your y value is you plug it into the original equation. Okay? So the original equation, once I plug it in, I get a y value of 1. Okay? Everyone all right with that? And then we have y equals mx minus x1 plus y1. Okay? Which you go further, you have y equals 1/2 x minus 1/2 plus 1 is plus 1/2. Okay? So that's the tangent. And I said I also wanted you to find the normal, because you're going to have to do that also on the hand in. So the normal, which is perpendicular, would be -2. So I have y equals -2, x minus 1 plus 1, and it's y equals -2x plus 3. That's the normal. Okay? Good job. 29, find the derivative. Okay, so 29 is -8x to the -3rd minus 8, and it could be rewritten as -8 over x cubed minus 8. Okay? That's it. That's all there is to it. And that's your negative power rule, rule number 7, which we've seen with the quotient rule as well. Okay? So there they all are. Now, to hand in. Okay? Page 124. Let's see. I gave you 14. So we're going to do 18. Okay, using the directions from 14. Okay, so that means I want you to use the quotient rule, and then I want you to break it into separate terms to do it. Okay, and then we will do let's do 21. Okay, I don't care if the answer's in the back book. You have to show all the work. Okay, so 21, 28, and for 28, remember, I want you to find the tangent and normal, and then, of course, number 30. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4, this is going to be worth 24 points. Okay, so make sure you show all the work for everything and get it to me by Friday at midnight. All right, have a good weekend.